Well, I'd done a little bit of work as a football journalist with Jack during the 90s when he was working with ITV. And obviously, I knew as a football fan for my life of the career of this man. But it was speaking to Andy Townsend, who was his captain, that I thought that really Jack's wider impact beyond football hadn't really been done in a documentary. I knew there was a vast archive of material because Jack had always loved the camera and had that sort of investigative streak in him. That was the initial reason for having the conversation with Jack and his son John. And at that point also we realized that Jack's dementia was fairly severe, and so that would also be an element of the film which would have to be incorporated. So that was how it all began, really.